Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Toyota RAV4. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a blind spot monitoring system, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.